Now I'm going to focus on this middle fraction here. And as I look at it, I want to first identify what type of fraction it is. And this fraction is going to be called a mixed number. And the reason I know it's a mixed number is because what I've got is I have a whole number of 5 and I've got a fraction of 1/2. The 1/2 is a proper fraction because my numerator is smaller than my denominator, and I've got kind of two parts to it. I've got my whole number and then I've got my fraction. That's why it's mixed, because I've got two different parts. Now, this is handy for sometimes, but sometimes is not. And two of the cases where it is not good to have a mixed number would be to multiply and divide fractions. When I multiply and divide fractions, I need an improper fraction. So what I need to do now is I need to take this mixed number and turn it into an improper fraction. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use what I like to call the swoop method. And the reason I call it the swoop method is because I'm going to start at the denominator, I'm going to round through the whole number, and then by the time I'm finished, I'm going to end up back up here at the numerator. So as I'm rounding, I'm also doing some math and some operations with it. And I like to start by multiplying. So the swoop method, I'm going to multiply as I come around. So I'm going to take my denominator of 2 times my whole number of 5. That'll give me 10. Now, I'm not done yet because I still got one more operation right here, and that is going to be addition. So I'm going to be multiplying and adding, multiplying and adding. So we said this was 10 plus the numerator of 1, which gives me 11. Now, I'm going to end up keeping my same denominator. So what is 5 and 1/2 as a improper fraction? Well, it's 11/2. And I know it's improper because my numerator is larger than my denominator.